So, dear students, once again welcome. Now, after the definition of trusses and discussing about the applications, now the types of trusses. So, there are some common types of trusses are shown here below, like king post truss, scissors truss, and you can see here how it look like, how it is structured. After this, the types of trusses. Okay, so there are two types, perfect truss and the imperfect truss. Further, the perfect truss can be divided into two parts, deficient truss and the redundant truss. Okay, now let's discuss one by one what is the perfect truss. Okay, so suppose a class which has got just sufficient number of members to register the load without undergoing any deformation in the shape is called a perfect truss. Okay, and uh, triangular frame is the simplest perfect truss and has three joints and three members. Okay, it may be observed that to increase one joint in a perfect truss. Okay, this is the perfect truss, like uh, this one, and now we're talking about after adding one joint. Here you can see here this is the extra joint. Two more members are required. Two more members, this one and this one. Hence, the following expression may be written down as the relationship between the number of members, number of joints, and the number of support reaction components. Okay, and in this way it is formulated. And now let us check this example. So, what is your opinion? Whether it is perfect truss or imperfect? So, here, how many members are here? This one and this one, three members. So, M is equal to here. It is 3. What about J? J means number of joints. So, this joint, this joint, this joint. So, it is 3. Okay. What about support reactions? Okay. Support reactions. So, one support reaction after removing this roller. Okay. So, vertically upward. Vertically upward. ठीक है, after removing. And what about this? So, hinge क्या करता है? Hinge provides to support reactions. ठीक है, after removing this hinge. So how many number of reactions? 3. Okay, so after putting this and the left side and the right side, M is equal to 2J minus R. So we are getting both side 3 3 means, as per the definition, just a sufficient number of members. तो कितना है? Sufficient number of members are there to register any kind of deformation. Okay. What about in example 2? See, in the same way, if you going to satisfy the this relationship, so you can see how many members are there. In this case, M is equal to how many members? So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 is here. And what about J? So J is here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So 4. What about support reactions? So R is equal to, here you can see here, R is equal to same like previously. One roller and one hinge is there. That's why three support reactions. So if you satisfy, if you put these values, then we get 5 is equal to 5. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Means just a sufficient number of members are there to resist any kind of deformation. In this way, you can check with various structure. And now what about the imperfect? The imperfect truss. Okay. So as we know, a truss which doesn't satisfies the relation. This is the relation M is equal to, okay, M is equal to 2j minus r. It's called an imperfect truss. And also we know there are two types. One is imperfect deficient. जिसमें less numbers रहेगा. Okay, means a truss which satisfies the relation M is less than 2j minus r is called a deficient truss. It is unable and may collapse under external forces. So in this taking this example, we can see here here M is equal to 8. So we already know how 8, and the joints this one, this one, this one. So 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why 6 joints. Okay, and the support reactions, as you know, there is one roller and one hinge. That's why R is equal to 3. So what we are getting, 8 left hand side, it is less than 9. Okay, that's why deficient truss is there. Okay. What about imperfect redundant truss? Redundant means we are having more members than required. Okay, so the condition, this is the condition, M must be greater than 2j minus r. So see here, this is structure, this is example, and here in this M, number of members is 10, number of joints 6, and r is equal to 3. So by putting all these values, what we are getting, 10 is means left hand side greater than right hand side. Okay, means क्या है, means members, more members are there, more members are there to support the loads, you can say. Okay, so is it required? No, it is also not required, because if there will be more number of members, then more means materials required, more means it becomes bulky, it becomes expensive. So in this way, what we came to know regarding the types of trusses and the whether the truss is perfect or not, means it is imperfect. So through the relationship, now we are able to check it. With this, thank you.